Welcome to the Mizzou Grape and Wine Institute YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to measure titratable acidity using the phenolphthalein indicator. Materials used: a burette and a burette stand, standardized sodium hydroxide solution 0.1 molar, distilled water, white wine sample, phenolphthalein solution, an eyedropper, an Erlenmeyer flask, white paper, and a 10 milliliters volumetric pipette. Begin by filling the burette with the standardized sodium hydroxide solution, ensuring the stopcock is in the closed position. Remove any excess sodium hydroxide solution from the burette. Make a note of the starting volume, which is 0 milliliters. Next, add approximately 50 milliliters of distilled water to a clean Erlenmeyer flask to cover the bottom. It doesn't matter how much you add here because the amount of acid in the flask remains the same. Using a 10 milliliters volumetric pipette, measure 10 milliliters of a wine sample and add it to the distilled water in the flask. Now add 3 to 5 drops of phenolphthalein indicator. The solution's color should remain the same at this point. You are ready to start the titration. Place the flask under the burette, open the stopcock. Control the addition of sodium hydroxide with your left hand while swirling the container with your right hand. It's important to continuously mix the solution as you add the sodium hydroxide. As you approach the neutralization point, the solution will start to change color. It's important to note that indicator titration relies on visual color changes and human judgment, which may introduce subjectivity and result in slightly less accuracy. Once you see the pink color persist, stop the titration and take your reading. In this case, it's 11.5 milliliters. Titratable acidity is calculated using the following formula. Titratable acidity in grams per liter equals the final volume of sodium hydroxide used minus the initial volume of sodium hydroxide, all multiplied by 0.75. In this case, titratable acidity equals 8.625 grams per liter. 0.75 is a conversion factor based on normality of sodium hydroxide solution. For this particular normality, 1 milliliter of sodium hydroxide will neutralize 0.75 grams of acid. In the next video, we will demonstrate pH meter titration, which provides more accurate results. Thank you for watching. GWI Service Lab presents this video tutorial for how to measure titratable acidity.